everyone! Today we're going to learn how to draw a simple but realistic step-by-step. Anni Therasa, draw an oval face shape. Add soft guidelines for placing eyes, nose and mouth. Next dot, add eyebrows. Next dot, add a small nose and a gentle mouth. That next adds soft wrinkles to show her age and wisdom. Whether you're a beginner or just want to improve your drawing skills, this will be a fun and easy process. Like, share and subscribe